welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. If you are not new, welcome back to another video. It's 5:43 right now, Tuesday, October 11th, and I'm gonna film my night routine for you. But now is when I usually start to wind down for the night, light all my candles. I just lit every candle in the apartment basically, and it smells like fall, apple, pumpkin, all the fall scents you could think of. It smells so good in here. I just love having candles on like all the time. I just made some dinner and I actually didn't feel like making dinner tonight. I've just had like a rough day. I'm actually filming a week of my life as well, and I was crying like a little bit ago and I have a headache now and I just don't feel like cooking dinner. So I had some butternut squash soup that I actually homemade the other day, and it was really yummy. I also filmed that in a vlog too, so if you want to go and watch that, it's the vlog where we got our new kitten. But I think I'm going to actually bake tonight since I'm not cooking dinner. I want to have like some sort of food making content for you guys, since this is like the typical time of when I would make food. And also I've been on like a cooking and baking grind this fall season. Like I feel like the fall I just thrive in the kitchen because I don't like to cook in the summer. I don't really like to cook in the spring. Like I feel like the fall and the winter are like the most fun seasons to cook and bake. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna make like a banana pumpkin bread because I saw a few recipes on Pinterest that I really want to make, and I have some overripe bananas that I need to get rid of. So I think that's what I'm gonna do in a sec. But welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It would make me so happy. I post Wednesdays and Sundays if you want to join my little family here on YouTube. So yeah, welcome to my night routine. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Everything is always linked down below, and I hope you enjoy. Just got all of my ingredients out. There's not that much to it. It's also kind of similar to the banana bread that I make like all the time, and I'm going off of this Pinterest recipe. It's actually pumpkin banana muffins, but I'm just gonna make it into a bread because I'd rather have like a loaf of bread rather than the muffins. So this is the full recipe. I will also leave a link to it down below if you want to make them for yourself. This is basically all you need. I have maple syrup, flour, salt, baking soda, pumpkin spice, eggs, coconut oil, vanilla extract, the bananas obviously, pumpkin, and some oat milk. So I'm just gonna measure everything out, put it in my bowl, mix everything up. Like this is what I love about fall. Like I just love making fall recipes, pumpkin recipes. Baking and cooking is like so therapeutic. Sometimes I hate making banana bread too because the bananas like freak me out. I hate bananas to begin with. Like I can only eat bananas when it's in a smoothie bowl. Like it has to be in something. I can't just eat a banana and like touching it, especially when it's overripe, grosses me out. But the end is always worth it. Like I do everything I can not to touch the banana. They're just like so yucky like this. Oh my gosh. Crazy how like something so gross looking can taste so good when it's done. So I just put it in my little bread pan. This is from Our Place. It's so cute. I just love the color. And I put some butter on it so it doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna take a knife. I saw this on TikTok, and basically you just kind of like do a little slice down the middle, and it's supposed to give that like perfect slice look when you make banana bread. Let me like redo that so it actually works. I don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it does because it always like looks so good. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven right now. I have it on 350 and I think I'm gonna cook it for like 40 to 45 minutes, just depending on how it looks like. Since I am making bread, it's gonna take a little bit longer to bake since is like more dense than the muffins would have been. So I'm just gonna put it in and just keep checking on it. It smells so good too, by the way. So I always like to clean up after I make dinner or whatever I make. That way I don't have to wake up to a humongous mess in the kitchen the next day. So I just like to clean up as I go. And I have this Myers Fall Leaves Scented Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. It smells so good. Got it from Target. So I just like to wipe down the counters, do a few dishes, and just clean up a little bit. So while the banana bread is baking, I'm gonna do my skincare and all of that fun stuff. I just changed into some comfy PJs. These are from Revolve by Everjay. They're like so soft, and I just love me a good PJ set. I think they're so cute, and I just feel like I sleep better in them. I don't know. But I'm gonna do my skincare. Like I said, I just have this headband, which I've been loving putting on when I do my skincare, because I hate when like my bangs, oh my god. I hate when my bangs like get in my face, so I just have this cute little spa headband from Osea, and I'm going to show you my current nighttime skincare routine. I look so weird, oh my god, ignore this. But the first thing I use is this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This has been like my favorite thing to take off my makeup, and if you've been watching my vlogs, I've been using the Tatcha cleansing oil, which I still love, but I have to say that I do like this better. I don't have any makeup on today. I just have like my skincare and like my sunscreen and everything, but I still like to use it because I feel like it just makes my skin so glowy, and like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just like a balm like this. It comes with a cute little scooper. So I just take a little bit. It just literally melts between your hands like butter. Like, it's so good. It feels so nice on your skin. And it's so weird because I never used to like products like these, and now I'm obsessed with them. Like, I would rather use this than micellar water, and I still do use micellar water, but after I've like used this and cleansed, I mostly use it to like get sunscreen off of my neck. I just really like to make sure all my morning skincare comes off. That way I have like a clean slate for my nighttime skincare. And then while that's still sitting on my face, I go in with my cleanser. This is the cleanser that I use. Love this stuff. Like, this skincare routine right now, I can't tell you how clean my skin feels when I go to bed. So I just go in with a cotton pad and some micellar water. This one is my favorite from Garnier. I've been using this for years, and it's just still my favorite one. So I just put it on the cotton pad, make sure to get all the sunscreen and everything that was on my neck off. And when I use the cotton pad, I always look at it, make sure it's clean. Like, as you can see, there's still like sunscreen and stuff that was on my neck, so I just like to make sure that's all off. So now that my face is all cleansed, I can do my creams and everything. I have this retinol from Pharmacy that I put on. This is my second bottle of this stuff. I love it. And then I go in with my aloe attiva serum. I love this product for the fall and winter. It just adds that extra layer of hydration. It feels so nice and soothing on my skin. And then for my moisturizer, I've been using this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I used to use the Tatcha Silk Cream, but I actually gave that to my mom because she's like obsessed with Tatcha products right now. So I've been using this one and I really like it. For my eye cream, I use this Cheer Up cream from Pharmacy. I was always told to like start with products like these very young. That way, as I get older, I can keep my skin nice and healthy. And this is my favorite step This lash serum has literally changed my life. It's so good. It's the Grande Lash Serum. I've been using this religiously every single night for about like 2 months now, and my lashes are so much longer and thicker, and some days I just curl them and they literally look like I'm wearing mascara. I did not think that this product was going to work, but I must say that I am now a firm believer in lash serum. So I just take the brush it on my lash line. Like, if you're thinking about getting this, I know it's like pretty pricey for a little serum like this, but if you're looking to make your lashes actually grow, I would consider investing in it because it's a really great product and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of my Rhode peptide treatment because my lips are feeling dry. I'm not gonna brush my teeth yet because I really want a piece of that banana bread, so I will brush my teeth later. But that's all of my skincare. I've been loving this routine. I feel like my skin is, knock on wood, looking so good and healthy and glowy. So since this is my fall night routine, I'm gonna do some fun eye patches. These are pumpkin fresh peepers that are so cute. They're bright orange. And this is my last one. Oh my gosh, I have none left. You can find them on Amazon. I will link them down below, but they're so cute. Like, how could you not want to do this? Like, they're so fun. Like, oh my god. They're so freaking fun. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad that that was my last pack. I'll have to get more. Hi, baby. You guys, Cheeto is getting so much more used to being here and with us in general, and he's definitely like in his routine now. It's so funny. When my alarm goes off in the morning, he literally knows that that's when I get up and I'm gonna feed him. He's so freaking cute. I love you. For people who don't like cats, I really don't understand how you could not like cats. Like, they're so freaking cute. I love you, baby. He's just seriously like one of the best cats I've ever met. He's so sweet. He doesn't get into anything. Like, you're so cute. So a couple of vlogs ago, I mentioned how I was obsessed with tea all of a sudden, so I'm gonna make myself some. It's just like such a nice way to relax after a long day. I have this tea sampler that I got from Target, and my favorite flavor has been the blueberry one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I used to hate tea when I was younger. It would make me literally gag and I couldn't drink it, but I put some stevia in it to like sweeten it up a bit, as well as some honey to like soothe my throat. I heat it up for like 1 minute and 45 seconds. You only need like the literal tiniest amount of this. Sometimes I make it too sweet, like literally, that's enough. It's crazy how much sweetness this gives. So I just do a little bit of that. And then this honey, this is like the best honey. It's local and I get it at Whole Foods. So I just do a little bit of honey, and it's just like the perfect way to unwind. I really don't understand how I did not like tea before. It's so good. This is why I love making my bed in the morning, coming in the bedroom after like a long day and just wanting to relax. It's so nice to just see like a made bed and then you just get in it and it's so comfy, if that makes any sense. But I'm gonna do my wellness journal right now because it's only 7 o'clock, but I always forget to do it when me and Zach watch a show, and then at that point after I'm just like too tired to do it. So I've been like getting myself in the habit of doing my journal before we watch a show and all that stuff. So I have my tea. I'm also gonna light my candle. I just got another one of these Honeycrisp apple candles from Trader Joe's this morning. It smells so good. So this journal is from Papier. I showed this in my fall morning routine, so I will link this down below, but I just do like the nighttime prompts, chill in my bed, and just have some me time. Look at how good this looks. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm gonna take it out right now. It's been in the oven for like almost 45 minutes and it looks about done. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a bit because obviously it's so hot, but the knife thing actually worked. I feel like it just makes it look more put together. It doesn't look that good, but it's fine. I'm gonna let this cool for a bit. I can't wait to try it with like some butter or something. So while I wait for Zach to get home, I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls. You guys already know. This is like my favorite show right now. We also started watching Nailed It Halloween last night, which is really fun. Zach's home now. The bread's been cooling for a little bit, so I'm gonna I'm gonna cut us a piece and taste test.
Yeah, or like a buttercream frosting. You don't have frosting?
No. Cheeto!
Cheeto? Did you do a wet bake? It's when you bake it around water. Sorry, only real bakers know that.
I'm gonna put some of this butter on top, but Zach wants frosting.
I want to make some buttercream. How good would this be with some buttercream?
Is it good?
It's pretty good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Zach usually hates anything banana, which is weird because you eat bananas.
I eat whole bananas, but I don't like banana bread.
That's weird because I don't eat whole bananas, but I'll eat this. Do you want butter?
Wait, I'm using my hands, you're using a fork. It's pretty good.
It is really good.
I'm surprised. Not because you made it, just because like, I never really liked banana bread.
Yeah, but it's pumpkin. Cheeto!